Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have seen about the introduction of the components, right? So how to create the component we have seen, and how to implement the component also we have seen in the previous video. Now in this video, what we'll try to do is we will try different ways of implementation of the components in the Vue.js. Okay, so the different ways how we can implement the component registration we will see. Okay, so we already know that when registering a component, we should always give a name. We should always give a name. Okay, the name of the component is nothing but what I can say is this is the hobbies component. And also the type of declaration what the component we have did is for this one, it is the global registration. So we call it as a global registration component. That means we have took the app is equal to view dot create app, and we in this app dot component we have used it like this. Or otherwise we can directly use something like, we can remove this one and we can use like this also. Okay, so like this also we can use. Now if I save this one and if I try to refresh this page, so the same output you will be getting. Okay, this is the global registration. So the type of declaration what we have did is the global registration of the component. Now we can also do the name casing of this component name. So the component name what we have given is hobbies hyphen component, right? So the component name we can do the name casing also. Either we can keep like this hobbies hyphen component, or otherwise we can remove the hyphen and we can keep capital C here. Okay. So if we see, if we keep the capital C, this is nothing but what we can say is Pascal case. So this is the Pascal case. We can give the component name with the Pascal case, or otherwise we can remove this one and keep the hyphen. Okay, hyphen C, small c, like this, or otherwise you can give H. For every word you can give H hobbies component C capital, and you can declare like this hobbies hyphen component. Or otherwise if you do hobbies component, right? If you do like this hobbies component, and if you try to see the output here, if you try to see the output, you will be not able to see the output. Why? Because this is the total is the one word only. Now what we need to do, we need to paste it here like this, and also we need to paste it here like this. Now if I try to open, if I try to refresh, now I am able to see the output. So now, or otherwise what I can do is I can do the Pascal case also like this, and you can keep the previous, sorry, here also I can keep hyphen. Now this one also works. This one is the Pascal case. Okay, Pascal case also lit work. Okay, so the name casing also we had it. The global registration, we have seen the global registration, right? So the global registration means, so we are using, so this is the global registration, how we have did the global registration. And another one is what I can say is local registration. So what is this local registration? For example, see, this one we have registered globally, and now the local registration means that is nothing but what I can do is here I can create component, or otherwise I can say tell that hobbies, okay, hobbies component or something like this. Okay, I have given the name hobbies component is equal to, I will take the object, and here whatever the object I am having, the complete object, whatever the object I am here I am having up to here. Okay, I can take this one and I can paste it directly, literally I can paste it like this. Okay, so that means nothing, what I am doing is I can remove this one. What I am doing is I am taking this total component object and storing in one variable. So this is nothing but an object only. So this object we are having properties like template and data like this. And now where we need to register this one. So we need to register, right? So we created a variable with the by name hobbies component. We need to register this one. So where we can register this? So here we will be having like data, methods, mounted, computed properties like that. We also have another property that is nothing but the components. And here we can register like hobbies, the name how you want to give here. So how you are going to declare in the HTML the name, and also the object. Okay, what is the object you are trying to do? Okay, so like this we need to declare. And now if I go here and if I save and if I try to refresh this one, the same output, you will be able to get the same outputs. Now the another way what we can do is, so this is the local registration. So how we have did the local registration. Okay, now another way what we will be trying to do is, so the name casing thing. The name casing, now the thing remaining is the name casing thing. Here also in the local registration also the name casing thing. I can remove directly like this, okay, and I can use the Pascal case component like this. Now if I do like it, if I do here, this one works the same as it is only. So you can do like this. So if I try to refresh this one, okay, so I got the same outputs. We're able to say I got the same output. So these are the two ways how we can declare the components in the Vuejs. One is the global registration, so how we can do that app.component like this, and another one is the object, creating that object like this, and we can directly in the Vue.3 in the Vue app instance we can directly use this components hobbies component like this. Okay, so this is the these are the ways how we can create the components in the Vuejs. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.